All right, here we go with the explanations of numbers 8 through 13. So 8 and 9 are using super superlatives, which are what we use to say that someone or something is extremely or super good. So the correct answers for 8 and 9 are these. Go ahead and press pause, check them. I'm also going to show you your answers to 10 through 13. Here are the answers for 10 through 13. These really are just using vocab, testing your ability to use it in sentences. So go ahead and pause and check your answers for these. The explanations of all of them will follow. Okay, let me explain number 8. So the pessimistic brothers becomes los hermanos pesimistas. If you recall, the only way to say pessimistic is pesimista or pesimistas. Whether you're describing a boy or a girl, it still ends in an A. Están, I'm going to use a star because nervous is an emotion. And so I take nervioso, I drop the O, and then I add hicimos because I'm describing something that's plural masculine, accent on the I before the S. And number 9, the bald daughter, la hija calva. Those, of course, have to match. And I'm using a star again because confused is a feeling or emotion. I take the adjective confundido, I drop the O, and since I'm describing a girl, I add, this time, hicima. All right, let's talk about 10. The tall, strong uncles have beards and mustaches and wear glasses. So, los tíos altos y fuertes. In this case, in Spanish, they do use commas, but not in this situation. So we would say the uncles, tall and strong, have beards. I have to conjugate it because I don't want to say the tall, strong uncles to have beards. I have to conjugate it for they. Barbas y bigotes y llevan gafas. The phrase to wear glasses is llevar gafas, but again I have to conjugate it for my subject. If I don't, it's like I'm saying and to wear glasses. Number 12, the blonde siblings get along badly. Your verb to get along well or badly is, I'm trying to write with the mouse, not easy, llevarse. The fact that it ends in say should remind you that it's a reflexive verb. If you don't remember the deal with reflexive verbs, please refer to your pink sheet in your helpful resources section of your binder. You guys know that you box off the say and save it for later. Then you take off the AR, conjugate the verb as usual, and then you have to put mete, se, no, so, say in front. So the correct conjugation of llevarse in this sentence for the blonde siblings is se llevan. And in number 13, my mom and I get along well. Again, we had to conjugate llevar. The nosotros form is nos llevamos. That is the explanation of numbers 8 through 13.